Imagine having a friend on board that gives you driving hints, but only when you need them. Stefan has 25 years experience of truck driving and doesn't want a backseat driver telling him what to do. Scania Driver Support analyzes the driver's action in key areas for economy driving and gives hints on how to act, but not until a situation occurs. It's been developed together with experienced truck drivers across Europe and is standard on Scania long-haulage trucks. The system analyzes 4 parameters, all of them well known from eco-driving: hill driving, brake use, anticipation, and choice of gears. Stefan simply lifts off the accelerator to slow down to 30. Panic maneuvers are not rated. A change-up was needed. Stefan releases the accelerator before the crest to save fuel and coasts to gain speed on the other side. A bit of acceleration at the bottom of the hill, and you'll enter the next hill faster. Stefan used the retarder down the hill and finally brakes to slow down at the junction. But he forgot to return the lever. At the end of the trip, you can get the overall score for all 4 parameters.